How to reset display settings to default in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can reset display settings to default in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. So using the search bar or the search feature, you can open up settings. Once you're on the settings, navigate to the system option on your left hand side from this menu bar. Now on the system, head towards display and then click on it. Now on the display, you have to come over to skill in the out section. So first of all, select skill. Under this drop down, if you have selected any other options, make sure to choose the recommended one, that is 1 to 5%. Under that, head towards the display resolution. Click on this drop down, and if you have selected any of these resolutions here, make sure to select the recommended one, that is 1920 by 1080. So make sure you select the recommended on the both of the skill and display resolutions. After that, that will help you reset your display settings to default in the Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.